Whoops.
This is retarded. You should do like the Pikachu song or something.
Maybe. Hold on.
Oh, hi, Perry's Rip.
I have to do the 10-hour long one. That's what grip long. Where's the 10-hour long one?
Type in oh, hi, Perry's Rip 10 hours.
Oh, hi. Is that a cat?
Yeah. What's Spaghetti Cat?
I don't know. Oh,
what the hell is Spaghetti Cat?
The Perry Grip song. Can't even see it. So I'm doing something else.
Pikachu on acid?
Come on. Are you kidding me?
What?
Every time I try to copy this, it does something else. That's being retarded.
I use 344 megabytes! Holy shit!
Ay, 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 here's a butterfly.
This would be like a really weird club.
Level 76.
I'm gonna look at Pikachu, maybe.
Look at all these tabs.
He can do more.
Pikachu.
Yeah, I know I can do more.
No, he's fine.
What else should I do?
Pingu!
No, fuck Pingu.
Pingu!
I put Yo too.
Pingu!
It's Yo. Did you hear the Pikachu?
It didn't like Trollolobe last time.
I know, it crashed immediately.
Remember that harmonized though?
Yeah. Oh, oh, oh.
I can barely hear you go on.
I know, all I can hear is like Pikachu or whatever that is. Wow, look at all these. Holy fuck! God, Justin.
Can you hear it now?
I'm gonna put this on YouTube and I'm gonna tag you.
I win! Google Chrome is not responding.
Try to restart it. Close it and then let it restore.
We killed the evil.
Wait for it to restore. It's not over yet.
Should I just hit cancel?
Yeah.
Okay. Ooh.
How did you torrent start up?
Someone's
Did you say
illegal.
U-card?
torrent. Someone's being illegal.
Restore it. Oh god, I'm scared.
All of a sudden it's gonna go. We're gonna crash Shockwave again.
Just let it
Like
load.
it's all loading.
That one's ready. Oh, that one isn't even anything. Here, we'll make it something.
Anything else loading?
Jeez.
All of a sudden.
They're trying.
Oh, there's one.
Just let them load.
YouTube. Oh god, what if they all started at the exact same time? It'd be so loud.
Yeah, I don't think it's gonna load half of them because half of them are coming up as AVGs.
Actually, these are supposed to be YouTube. Only 2 of them are AVGs.
That was crazy.
Oh, Shockwave isn't responding.
We crashed it. Okay, you crashed it. You're good.
Well, that's gonna take forever to shut down.
Use.
That's not how it is it?
Now you've crashed the plug-in.
Way to go, Justin.
This is the normal process.
I killed
Are
it.
you still rolling?
If she did, she just got my beautiful scream.
Oh, okay, I'll quit now.
Okay, I gotta
What are you
hear
scoring,
the playback.
Okay.
Crashed it.
I found this, didn't I?
Yeah. I wanna refresh it because it was giving me the wrong one.
This is what we do at Drew's.
Yep.
It just started tonight, but this is what we're gonna do every time we come over.
They're starting to harmonize.
This is what happens when we're bored.
It's lagging like hell.
Are you scared to put more?
You're gonna kill his computer.
Hey, he's letting me do it.
And the thing will ruin my internet. We did yesterday.
His internet stopped working.
It didn't stop. It just got really laggy on Call of Duty. Okay, that's good.
Hey, this is so serious. The hardest part is hell.
Did you see his face?
Yeah.
Holy shit. Listen, they're about to kiss. Oh, my camera's about to die.
Well, then you don't have to keep recording if you don't want to.
Okay. Here we go. Camera's about to
He's like,
die.
are you serious?